Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the JBL Charge 2 and removing all cables, because live circuits complicate battery swaps. Once done, peel back the rubber base so you can access the 4 screws. Make sure to place them in order. Use a PH1 screwdriver to remove screws and a plastic pry tool to separate the plastic halves without cracking clips. You're opening the case now to reach the internal battery pack. Keep a small tray handy so tiny parts don't get lost. Once the shell is open, locate the battery pack. You'll see a small 2-pin connector and adhesive. Before you disconnect, take a photo so you remember polarity and orientation. This prevents mistakes later. Carefully unplug the connector or, if soldered, desolder the wires while noting which wire is positive. Remove the old pack and place the new battery with matching voltage and similar capacity. Secure it with double-sided tape so it won't shift when you reassemble the speaker. After seating the new battery, reconnect the 2-pin connector exactly as photographed earlier, then align the housing and press case edges until clips engage. Replace the 4 screws and reattach the rubber base. Charge the speaker for 2 to 3 hours and watch the LED. Make sure it reaches full charge and plays audio. If it won't charge, check the connector polarity and solder joints, inspect for a blown fuse, and test the charger. Those are the most common faults to fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.